Thomas waited patiently at the station. Sir Topham Hatt had important instructions for him. Thomas, Mrs. Topham Hatt has just spent a week visiting her sister, and I need you to go to the station and pick her up. Travel quickly and stay on time. I'm expecting you to do a good job. Yes, sir, Mr. Topham Hatt. Thank you, sir. Thomas waited patiently for the signal to change. A green signal. Peep, peep, off we go. It's just a tunnel. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. It's just a tunnel. Hi, Thomas. How are you? Said Mr. Steam Shovel. Sorry, can't talk. Can't talk. Must hurry. Must hurry. Past the orchard. Hi, Mr. Farmer. Around the church. Oh, this hill is tough. Time to cross the bridge. Don't look down, it's scary. Hi, Mr. Miller. And another tunnel. Come on, Annie. Come on, Clarabelle. Now we go down the hill. It's time to stop and pick up Mrs. Topham Hatt. Here we are, almost at the station. There she is. Hello, Mrs. Topham Hatt. Did you have a nice visit? Oh, yes, I did, Thomas. Last time I rode in Clarabelle. This time I think I'll ride in Annie. Hop in then. Peep, peep, it's time to go. Oh, well done, Thomas, and right on schedule. You have been a really useful engine today. Thank you, Mr. Topham Hatt. Thank you very much.